Hello and welcome to the In Focus series section of Drishti IAS. I'm Aisha, and in today's episode we will be talking about the topic of Korga tribal community and Operation Smile project. So how the Operation Smile project is related to the Korga tribal community, and Korga tribal community is a community mainly whose residents you will find in the state of Karnataka and Kerala, and their major problem is related to the land titles. So first of all, let us look at the timeline. First, we will be looking at the news, then what is Operation Smile, then what is Korga community, and in the end, prelims MCQ. Topic is of relevance from General Studies paper 1, that is Society. Now, the news talks about Korga tribal community in Kerala set to receive land titles under Operation Smile project. So there is a project named Operation Smile project, and within this project, it means this project will contain Korga tribal community in Kerala, and Korga tribal community people residing in Kerala, they will receive land titles under the Operation Smile project. And because the land title problem was happening with the Korga tribal community in Kerala, and because of which they were not able to make progress, and one of the reasons for their socio-economic backwardness and their marginalized section was because the land title problem was not being solved. So Drishti IAS has come up with a IAS GS foundation course for both prelims and mains in offline manner in English medium, and the Lucknow batch is starting on 29th of November 11:30 AM and Prayagraj batch is starting on 2nd of January 5:30 PM. If you have any query, give us a call at 8010440440. And now the Drishti IAS Mukherjee Nagar classes has now been shifted to Noida. So the new center for the UPSC aspirants is Noida. And if you are traveling by the metro, then the nearest metro station is Noida Sector 15, and it is walking distance from Noida Sector 15, and the exact address is C171/2 Block A Sector 15 Noida, Uttar Pradesh. The Hindi medium batch is starting from 9th of December 11:30 AM, and the English medium batch is starting from 12th of December 6 PM. If you have any query, give us a call at 9311406440, and if you want to know the exact location, then the link is given in the description box. And also, if you want to receive a call from Drishti's counselors and want to discuss about anything, then also the link is given in the description box. You can go out and fill the form and receive a call back from Drishti's side. Now let us begin with the news. So the revenue department in the state of Kerala, one of the southernmost states, so the revenue department has initiated steps to provide land titles, and they are also known as pattas. So the land titles will be provided to the people, to the Korga community, and Korga community is a scheduled tribe group in the state of Kerala. So it's a scheduled tribe group in the state of Kerala, and they will be provided land titles also known as pattas. And the initiative comes under a project called Operation Smile, and this will include ensuring proper documentation and transferring land ownership of deceased title holders to their heirs. So now the people who have died, but the land which belonged to them has not moved to their heirs, it will be done through proper documentation, and when the proper documentation will be done, then the transfer of the land ownership will be made. And this land title problems and not being able to transfer the land of the deceased people to their heirs, and the proper documentation was lacking, because of which the socio-economic progress of the community was restricted, and this was a major problem in the community which was going on. Now about Operation Smile. So Operation Smile will involve surveyors and officers from the Gram Panchayat, tribal extensions, village offices, as well as community elders and promoters. So many people will be involved in the Operation Smile, and the Operation Smile will be launched on November 30, 2024. And what is its aim? The aim is to provide or addressing the long standing issue or the long demand of the Korga people of missing land documents and undefined boundaries. So the land documents which have been missing till now, this will resolve that problem, and also the undefined boundaries of the land problem will also be resolved. Then this has hindered the Korga community's access to government housing schemes. So now, because the missing land documents and the undefined boundaries of the land, because of which the various state government initiatives or various state government welfare schemes which has come up for the people, the Korga community was not able to take benefit of those schemes. And now the government housing schemes also, they were not able to take advantage of it, or they were not able to take the facilities of it because of the missing land documents and undefined boundaries of the land. And this has left their lands uncultivated and forest covered. So the land which belonged to them, they were not able to cultivate the land, and also the land was not used properly, and thus socioeconomic backwardness was also because of the reason that they were not able to use their land because of the lacking documents and also the undefined boundaries. Now about the Korga communities. So the Korga community is basically present in the state of Karnataka and Kerala. And if we talk about according to the 2011 census, then around 16,376 Korgas were living in these states like Kerala and Karnataka. And they are one of the poorest and most marginalized population. That is why it becomes even more important to look that how they can be uplifted, what are the schemes and what are the benefits that can work for their welfare, so that they do not feel isolated and their socio-economic conditions can also improve. Then they are mostly seasonal laborers, weave baskets, cradles, trays, and collect firewood and honey from nearby forest. So because of their isolation, because of their poor socioeconomic condition, because of their marginalized character, being a welfare state that India is, it becomes all the more important for the state government to make and to get more and more projects which works for the upliftment of the people who are at the backseat in the state. Now in the end, a prelims MCQ, and you people need to tell me the answer in the comment section. So the question reads, under which project the Korga tribal community in Kerala set to receive land titles? That is Operation Smile, Operation Success, Operation Lakshmi, or none of the above. So give me the answer in the comment section, and that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time, keep reading, keep writing, and keep subscribing to the channel. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.